Hey, what's up guys? This is Vince here in Southern California. Welcome to my channel.
Doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. You know I'm loving it like you was real. Doing it.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't
I'll be
even
doing a bike check on my buddy here. He just got his Whitey e-bike, the Whitey Decoy red, size medium, and it comes with a coil model. It is the 2021 and it's a mullet, so it comes with a 29er in front and 27 plus at the back, and drivetrain comes with a XT Dior 51 maximum cog with a E13 handlebar with a SRAM Code R set of brakes with a 203 disc rotor with the E13 wheel sets front and rear, including the hubs are E13. There you go. What else? The dropper seat post is actually made by Whitey. It's a Postman, and the saddle, it's like a futuristic style, and the rear tires actually comes with a Minion DHR 2.8, and the front with this an Assegai 2.5 wide tread. So there you go guys, and we're gonna test it out right now. It's his first doing the ride on this one, so he doesn't need an e-bike, he just wants it, so there's a big difference. So by the way guys, this comes with a 38 fork, 170 travel, and the rear I guess it's 165 coil. So there you go guys, first on our channel, just featuring this new Whitey e-bike with a coil 2021 mullet. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace. The challenge for him now is not to use the motor. Let's see if he could do it.
No.
So let's see if he's not gonna use the power assist.
E-leg power.
Just the e-legs. E-legs, yeah. Let's see. Because this we were talking about like how many pounds? 50 something? 52 pounds of bike. See? Okay. Woohoo! Lupit. There you go. We made it all the way here. More to come. Still on the challenge that the motor assist is not working. It's off right now from the bottom. Let's see if we could make it all the way to the flag. I think he's almost there. Yep. I'll get back onto you later. Whoa, we made it all the way here. That's it. That's it. That's it, Pansit. The challenge is done. Yeah, we got the world famous Nick Tarte. No, he's not big booty. That's on different channel. You know, e-bike yun. 52 pounds.
Dapat pala nagpamanicure ako. Yung ano yun, nakikita.
Nakita yung video yung ano, yung daliri mo? Oo. Dapat nagpa-manicure ka. Putan, bilis oh. Oh. Puta oh.
Sanay! Nakarami ng oyster.
Ilan nalagay mo?
Nandun sa 5. So, plus 10 pounds.
Barm lahat daw. Still testing the suspension for the wifey. Ray? Oh, Ray pare ha. Ray, ako si Beans.
I've only been to like 4 different little mountains.
Even there's a lot of jumps
Angelo.
in there.
Angelo and
Felipe,
Felipe. Yeah, I got it on camera so I won't forget.
PC kayo?